Hey everyone, it's Chica. Today we're going to make giant Hershey's Kisses that are perfect for your Valentine's Day decor. Okay, so this is a pretty classic candy at Valentine's Day and year round, right? I like to make giant versions of candy for my Valentine's Day decor. So we're going to make this giant foil Hershey's Kiss. I'm sorry, no, it does not have chocolate inside. It's very lightweight. It's just a decoration, but it's super easy, especially thanks to our template that I'm going to talk about in a minute. And it's a great way to decorate classrooms, your home, anything where you want something bold and fun for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. We're going to use some packing paper, just some inexpensive paper. You'll see we're going to need this for in a minute. We're also going to need some foil. Obviously, we're going to cover this with foil so that it looks like a real kiss. And we're going to need at least one of these to serve as an example to help us with forming and shaping. Also going to need some tape. So I've got my tape dispenser here and scissors just in case. And then you're going to need the flags, which here they are. This is the flags. We have a template for this on our website. You can actually download this and print it right onto regular paper. This is enough to make 4 flags. So here's the shape we're going to go for, right? This is one that I've done already. This is maybe about 6 inches tall, which is a good scale for this flag. You could make it a little bit bigger if you wanted, and the flag would still look okay, but that's the size we're going to go for. So instead of starting with foil, we're going to start with paper because it's cheaper, it's easier. Everybody's got scrap paper. You can use newspaper if you happen to have it. I've just got packing paper. So let's crumple this up. It's going to make a lot of noise. So I'm going to stop talking for a second, and we're going to crumple this up into our general shape. So you can see I'm kind of just making sort of a general shape here. I'm going to kind of hold it all together with some tape. This doesn't have to be very exact. You're just trying to get sort of this bulky shape in the middle. Sometimes it helps to smack it down on the table to get that bottom flat. That's a pretty good start. That saves us on a lot of foil, and because foil is more expensive, right? I think I might do one more on there. That's a pretty good size and shape. I know it doesn't look that much like a Hershey's Kiss, but that's okay. It's very malleable still, and now we're ready to go for some foil. So with the foil, use something inexpensive. Don't bother with like a nonstick or anything. Just get whatever's cheap. And the first few layers of this are not going to be very smooth. They're just not. That's just how foil is. But we're going to build this up and kind of get the nice shape that we want. You'll see as you start adding this too, you don't need the tape anymore because the foil just holds its shape very well. We've got to do something about that bottom though. All right, we're getting there. Hey, while I'm wrapping this up with foil, could you go ahead and like this video? I'd really appreciate it. Okay, now this is where we can start to do some really good forming here. I'm going to squeeze this neck down. Again, I'm going to compare to my original. This has a pretty narrow, pointy neck, so that's what we're going to do on this one. And it's going to get fatter on the bottom. And we need the bottom flat too, so we can pound it down on the table. We want this nice edge here, so you can actually kind of pound it like that too. It looks pretty good actually. Maybe squish it down a little. That's pretty good, pretty close, right? Okay, no, it's not smooth, but that's okay. Let's do one more layer. There you go. You can see with every layer we add, it gets a little bit smoother and a little bit better shape, right? All right, I think that's pretty good actually. Maybe a little bit flatter on the bottom. Oh, there we go. Excellent. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm ready for the final coating on it. It's going to be smooth, but first I have to add the flag. Okay, for the next step, we're going to need a flag to put at the top, right? Because the kisses have this little flag on them that says Kisses. So we need a giant flag for that. Don't worry, I got you covered. I've got a template. You can download it on our blog. I'll put a link below. And this is what you get. You print this page onto just regular paper, and we're going to cut it up. And these are going to be our flags. Couldn't be easier to use. Just going to take this paper cutter here. Cut it right down the middle. Look, there's our flag. Isn't that cute? So this is going to stick up from the middle, right? Put a little piece of tape here to hold it. Okay, so that's what our flag is going to look like sticking out. Now we are ready for our final coats of foil that are going to be really smooth, as smooth as we can make them. I'm actually going to double this up because I want it to be thicker and sturdier. And then I'm going to fold this top edge over. There we go, get a nice edge on there, right? All right, and we're just going to hold this right here, right at the top where we want, and just smooth it down. Tuck all the stuff underneath. Nice pounding on the bottom. Kind of shape that a little bit. What do you think? Maybe we can put one more on the back. The back's a little rough. Again, I'm going to fold that top edge over. There we go. Put that on there. Hey, while I'm getting the final touches on this, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, please do. Always try to make your foil long enough so that it reaches underneath, because you can hide stuff on the bottom a lot better than you can on the sides. There we go. There's our Hershey's Kiss. Isn't it adorable? It looks a lot like the original here, just bigger. This is really great for Valentine's decoration. Got a bunch of them here. I do wish they had chocolate inside, but sorry, that would be really expensive and really heavy too. But I like this. It makes a great decoration and might be a fun gift for someone who thinks it's chocolate but isn't. Actually, I just thought of a really cool idea. You could put a gift inside of this, something special like car keys, an engagement ring, something like that. Imagine if that were inside of here and this is the way that you wrap that small gift. That would be such a special gift idea, don't you think? Wasn't that so fun? We made these giant Hershey's Kisses that look just like the little tiny originals. And remember, you can download our flag template off of our website so you can make your Kisses flags. It makes it so easy. I hope you enjoyed this idea for making your own giant Hershey's Kisses. Thanks for watching this fun project, and be sure to stick around and give us a subscribe so you don't miss the next really cool idea we have coming. Thanks.